Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting transcription now. Open your sequence and select the clip or the entire timeline you want transcribed. Make sure audio tracks are unmuted and levels are reasonable so speech is clear. Once selected, go to Window, then Text, and choose Transcribe Sequence. Pick the correct language and whether to transcribe the entire sequence or clips. You do this because accurate audio input yields much better text. After you hit Transcribe, Premiere analyzes the audio and creates a transcript file for editing. Once Premiere finishes, review the transcript panel and scan for errors. Click any word to jump the playhead to that timestamp so you can hear context and correct mistakes. You can enable speaker labeling to separate voices and edit lines inline for punctuation and readability. After cleaning the text, choose Create Captions, pick a caption format, SRT, Open Captions, set maximum characters per line and duration rules. This generates synced captions placed on your timeline ready for styling and export. To finish, style your captions in Essential Graphics. Set font, size, positioning, and ensure they sit inside the safe area so viewers can read them. When exporting, decide whether to burn captions into the video or export a sidecar SRT depending on platform needs. If transcription accuracy is poor, re-record or clean the audio, reduce noise, then retranscribe. Alternatively, fix the transcript manually in the panel. This saves time and prevents caption errors on final delivery. Always
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.